Hey guys, do you at least want to explore the world? Why is that? Because I am very bored in this house. He has a point, because I'm joining Lego Dog too, because I'm bored. Yeah, I'm bored. Well, Lego Dog, where are we gonna go? Can any of you guys swim? Of course, the old man can swim. I can swim perfect. I swim along with others. I can swim too. I'm a polar bear, so of course I can swim. Great! I'm a giant dog, and I can swim also. Well, let's go, little dog! Who's ready? We're all out! We all are! Hop aboard, guys! Move! I can't see! Ah, guys, just get on my back! Fine, for now. We just said we're ready. Oh, yeah, exactly. I can't see. I must tell the Dark Man they're leaving. Hey, Dark Man, what? Lego Dog and them are going exploring. We'll follow them without making you get caught. Let's go. Where's all that stuff? Coloring pencils and junk. A picture? A notebook? Are you serious? This is the most worst Fall Mart ever. We're not going to Fall Mart. Oh. We're going to the aquarium. I love the aquarium. Aquarium, they say then. Oh, I love to follow them. We're stuck. Go that way, okay? Just gonna jump over that beautiful looking picture. And then we'll. Ow! My nose! I lost my nose! Ow! Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. I did lose my nose. I can't. Wait. Come here, you dirty nose. Yeah. That's not an aquarium. That's actually. Well, it's an aquarium. Let's go, fellas. Where up? Where they went? Where they go? Well, let me go in first, since I'm the excellent swimmer. Ouch! Tater, you okay? I'm fine. Taters! He's fine. Away we go in. We really want to hurt, because that box is back. Ooh. Wait, oh dog. You ready? Because you can't take your body inside. I'm okay. Come on, guys. Let's get in. We're coming, taters. Whoa, this place is beautiful. It smells nice, too. Hello. Hello, not you. Hello, me starfish. And I have a brother named Patrick, who's also a starfish. And he's famous, too. Anyways, friend, do you know where we are? You should know that about now! Oh yeah, for that, we're in the ocean. Hello, my name is Krabs and I love cheese. You got any cheese? Nope. This is not money. This is actually just bubbles. Whoa, duh. Forget this patty flips. Whoa. What happened, Scoops? Oh well. Crap. I saw something. It was great on cheese. Ah! Shark! Aha! My frenemy isn't spying on me. Has he been lonely? Okay, friend, let's play. Oh, no, get me out of this. We are not friends, little dog. We are enemies, not frenemies. Ruin the friend, but enemies. Frenemy, I mean enemies! Enemies! You know we're friends. Ow, ow! I will not give you head pats forever. But you just gave me a head pat. Head pat, head pat, head pat, head pat, head pat! I don't care about you. I'll just leave. Bye! Anyways, what do we do now? Well, this is the longest of our lives. So, I think you're fine. Hey, where's the sunlight? You're being in here forever. Guys, let's jump out of here! Ah! Wait! I need to take the money! Come on, taters, we don't got time! Wait! I'm lost! Die! Ah! Ah! I knew that was a trap. Oh, mirror. What do we do now? We'll take the box and we'll keep it for a prize. A collection! Oh boy! Yep, it's a beautiful collection then. Soon we'll just take it home and show it to everybody. We already did that. Oh yeah.